Tired of manually adding products to your dropshipping store? Frustrated with constantly checking inventory and updating prices? What if I told you there's a powerful tool that can automate most of these tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on scaling your business and making more sales? For anyone in the dropshipping world, time is money. Every minute spent on repetitive tasks is a minute you could be using to research new products, optimize your marketing campaigns, or even just enjoy some well-deserved downtime. That's where the alidropship plugin comes in. It's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their AliExpress dropshipping business, turning a manual, time-consuming process into a largely automated one. But here's the thing. Unlocking that automation, that freedom, starts with a crucial first step: installing the plugin correctly. And for many, this is where the journey can hit a snag. Technical jargon, confusing steps, or simply not knowing where to begin can turn what should be a straightforward process into a headache. You might be thinking, do I really need another plugin? My WordPress site already has so much going on. Or perhaps, is it really worth the one-time payment? The answer to both is a resounding yes, especially if you're serious about dropshipping. The alidropship plugin isn't just another add-on. It's a comprehensive solution designed specifically for AliExpress dropshipping. It handles everything from product import with a single click to automated order fulfillment, pricing updates, and even cashback systems. Imagine being able to import thousands of products in minutes, set up automatic pricing rules, and have orders placed with suppliers without you lifting a finger. That's the power of alidropship. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with WordPress, the most popular content management system in the world. This means you get the flexibility and vast ecosystem of WordPress themes and plugins, combined with the specialized dropshipping functionality of alidropship. There are two versions of the plugin: the original alidropship plugin, which comes with its own built-in themes, and alidropship Woo, which is specifically designed to work with WooCommerce themes. We'll be focusing on the general installation process that applies to both, as the core steps are quite similar. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the installation, let's make sure you have everything you need. Think of it like preparing for a DIY project. You wouldn't start building a bookshelf without all your tools and materials, right? First, you'll need a domain name. This is your store's address on the internet, like www.yourgreatstore.com. Choose something memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Second, you'll need reliable web hosting. Your hosting is like the land your store sits on. It needs to be stable, fast, and capable of handling your website's traffic. alidropship recommends hosting providers that support PHP 5.6 or higher and have IonCube Loader activated on the server. Many popular hosting providers meet these requirements, and alidropship even offers its own optimized hosting solution, which can simplify things further, often including free SSL certificates and plugin setup services. Third, and perhaps most crucially, you need WordPress installed on your hosting. WordPress is the foundation upon which your alidropship store will be built. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation through their cPanel or control panel. If you haven't done this already, log into your hosting account, find a WordPress installer, and follow the prompts. It's usually a very straightforward process, asking you to set up a username and password for your WordPress admin area. And finally, of course, you'll need the alidropship plugin itself. You purchase this directly from the alidropship website. Once purchased, you'll receive a license key and a downloadable .zip file of the plugin. Do not unzip this file. We'll be uploading it as is. Got all that? Domain, hosting with WordPress installed, and your alidropship plugin .zip file and license key ready to go? Perfect. Let's get to the good stuff. The first step, once you log into your WordPress admin dashboard, is to navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage all the extra functionalities of your WordPress site. Once you're in the Plugins area, you'll see an Add New button, usually at the top of the page. Click on that. This will take you to a page where you can search for plugins from the WordPress directory or upload a plugin manually. Since you've purchased alidropship, you'll be doing the latter. Look for the Upload Plugin button, usually near the top of the Add Plugins page. Click it. You'll then see an option to choose File. Click this, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to where you saved your alidropship plugin.zip file. Remember, the one you didn't unzip, select it, and then click Install Now. WordPress will then upload and install the plugin. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and hosting. Once it's done, you'll see a success message and an Activate plugin button. This is a crucial step. Even though the plugin is installed, it won't do anything until it's activated. So go ahead and click Activate plugin. Congratulations! The alidropship plugin is now installed and activated on your WordPress site. You'll likely notice a new menu item appear on your left-hand WordPress sidebar, usually labeled alidropship or alidropship Woo, depending on the version you installed. But we're not quite done yet. The plugin needs to be licensed to function properly. Click on the new alidropship menu item. You'll typically be taken to a page where you're prompted to enter your license key. This is the key you receive via email after purchasing the plugin. Carefully copy and paste your license key into the designated field and click Activate or Save. If your license key is valid, you'll receive a confirmation message. And now your alidropship plugin is fully activated and ready to power your dropshipping store. At this point, if you're using the original alidropship plugin, you'll also want to choose and install one of their built-in themes. These themes are specifically optimized to work seamlessly with a plugin. Head over to the Themes section within the alidropship menu, browse the available options, and choose one that fits your store's aesthetic. Download the themes.zip file, then go to Appearance Themes in your WordPress dashboard, click Add New, then Upload Theme, and upload the theme.zip file. Once uploaded, activate it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.